Alright guys, back again to do some more 2014 Contenders is Geoffrey. Geoffrey, appreciate the order. Let's see what we get for you on these two boxes. Okay, sounds good. I'll just upload it right after for you. All right. Bush, Matthews, Martin, Peterson, and Cam Newton. Oh, cool! Out of this product, Victor Cruz, Heartline, Cordell Patterson, Sean Green, Khalil Mack. Yeah, I didn't either. We actually pulled a Montana out of Absolute the other day in our group case break. Vernon Davis, Deshaun Jackson, Dez Bryant, Phillip Rivers, Sherman. Alex Smith, Watt, Roethlisberger, Ingram, and next up, CJ Fedorowicz. Austin, Brady, Morris, Stacy, and fourth round numbers, Kadeem Carey, D'Anthony Thomas. Yeah, I don't remember the Carey. I think I know we did pull one. I just can't remember what it looked like. All right, Stafford, Gronkowski, Tate, Henny, and next up we have Taylor Gabriel, number to 199. Yeah, we might. Randall, Wallace, Richardson, Foles, and Reggie Wayne. Floyd, Matthews, Martin, Peterson, and Tony Dorsett. Ellington, Hoyer, Griffin, Schaub, and touchdown tandems Brady and Amendola. I know, I always do the same thing. Jackson, Manning, Bradford, Patterson, and Green. If anybody, I'd probably rather get a Bortles. Williams, Dalton, Newton, Ivory, and Jennings. Geoffrey, Gino, Locker, Foster, and A.J. McCarron, Aaron Murray. White, Witten, Bell, Colston, and Steve Smith. Let's try for a Beckham. Forte, Gore, Graham, Torrey Smith, and Amendola. Charles, Fitz, Jones, Drew, Rogers, and next up we have Marquise Lee. Marquise Lee. Yeah, but just remember with those short prints whenever they come out. I remember a guy telling me he got a lineman in 06, and he thought it was junk, and then next thing you know, I think it went for like $400 or $500. Calvin Benjamin, next up. Dwayne Bowe, McCown, McCoy, Murray, and Brown. Thomas, Decker, Jones, Nate Washington. We got this guy earlier, Devontae Freeman. Thomas, EJ, Wilson, Breeze, and Jeremy Hill. I'd like to get a Jeremy Hill too. He seems to be a good runner. Spiller, Bernard, Johnson, Lynch, and number to 199, Marquise Colston. Marshall, Flacco, Ridley, Lacey, and And number to 99, Josh Huff. Josh Huff. Cutler, Kaepernick, Mercedes Lewis, Macklin, and Blake Bortles and Marquise Lee. Monty Ball, Gronkowski, Tate, Henne, and next auto up, LaMarcus Joyner. LaMarcus Joyner. And finally here, AJ Green, Olsen, Foles, Reggie Wayne, and Trey Mason. Alright, so that will do it for that box. Let's slide these out of the way here. Alright, on to box number 2. There we go. Vincent Jackson, Manning, Morris, Stacy, and we have, oh, there we go, cracked ice, number to 22, Greg Jennings. Greg Jennings on that one. Davis, Deshaun, McCoy, Murray, and Brown. Bush, Victor Cruz, Newton, and Ivory Jennings. Let's hope that was a sign to come in this box. Hartline, Smith, Locker, Foster, round 2 numbers, Sankey and Hill. Ellington, Bell, Colston, Smith, and next up, Shane Scov. Shane Scov. Hoyer, Williams, Dalton, Jones, Drew, and Rogers. Matt Ryan, Le'Veon Bell, Colston, Smith, and autograph Deion Buchanan. Deion Buchanan. Tony Romo, Bo, Jones, Drew, Rogers, and Derek Carr. Geoffrey, Decker, Julio Jones, Washington, and Joe Namath. McCown, Decker, Jones, Washington, and Shady McCoy. Demarius, EJ, Andre, Lynch, and Johnny Manziel. Marshall, Graham, Torrey Smith, Danny Amendola, and we got a rookie ink here up next. Timmy Jernigan. Timmy Jernigan. Those are the good autographs, right, Geoffrey? Cutler, Kaepernick, Nelson, Shorts, and Johnson and Stafford. Nothing yet today, Alex Doherty. Still waiting on a big hit here. Tavon Austin, Brady, Wilson, Breeze, and round 1 numbers, Bortles and Johnny Manziel. Gino, Roddy White, Witten, Johnson, and Lynch. Bradford, Kuechly, Gronkowski, Tate, and Chad Henne. Johnson, Manning, Foles, Reggie Wayne, and Johnny Manziel. Stafford, Randall, Flacco, Ridley, and Lacey. Tannehill, Luck, Matthews, Martin, and Peterson. Palmer, Tate, Patterson, Green, and Andre Williams. Monte Ball, Watt, Roethlisberger, Ingram. And next up on the autos, Tyler Gaffney. Tyler Gaffney. Green, Olsen, Griffin, Schaub, and Jordy Nelson, Aaron Rodgers. Wallace, Richardson, Lewis, Macklin, and out of the University of Pittsburgh here, actually, and it's his jersey number, Tom Savage. So a nice hit there on the Tom Savage. Tom Savage there. And finally, Floyd, Dez Bryant, Phillip Rivers, Sherman, and we got a redemption on the back. Man, we're getting a lot of him. Draft class, autograph, RPS, Khalil Mack. Khalil Mack on that one. Cool. So that will do it. Again, appreciate the order, and we'll get these packed up and shipped off for you.